Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about the child and dependent care credit. In another video I said the child credit. This is really the child and dependent care credit because there's more qualifying than just children under 13 years old, which that's the first qualifying that qualifies an individual. One, you can be a dependent child under the age of 13, right? But also, if your spouse was physically or mentally incapable of self care and lived with you for more than half of the year, they qualify too. That's if your spouse. Or if you had a dependent or an individual who was physically and mentally incapable of self care, and this, hygiene, all of that stuff. Let me tell you what the physically, mentally not able to care for oneself. Let me break that down to you. And that is an individual who is physically or mentally incapable of self care as a result of physical or mental defect. Okay? And is incapable of caring for his or her hygiene. So that right there qualifies them as a dependent. Okay? And so you qualify. That's the qualifying individual. Now, let me tell you, the total expenses that you use to calculate this credit for one person can't be over $3,000, and or $6,000 for two or more individuals. That's just basically it right there. Now there's some other stuff that goes into that, but that's your basic right there. Who qualifies, how much they qualify for. If you are going to use this credit, then there is a W-10 form associated with this credit that the person that took care of your dependent or child has to fill out. It has to have their name, their address, their social security number, or their tax identification number for this, okay? And so you have to be able to identify everyone who took care of your child or the organizations that took care of your child. And again, they have to report that. And again, this is a form W-10, Dependent Care Providers Identification and Certification. And you can request this form from the child care provider. And to be honest with you, I do TurboTax, and it's usually right there. It'll ask who was your person, what is their name, and tax identification number and address. So TurboTax usually have it in there. Usually your tax preparer already have this. It's actually not a very new, it's a W-10 form. Okay, so I wanted to talk about that for who qualifies for the child and dependent care credit, how much you're able to claim, and again, what you would need to be able to claim that, the W-10 form. Okay, I hope that helped. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.